What up, YouTube? We're back. We're going to pick up the red EG hatch from Detail Masters. We dropped the car off there because I don't know if you guys ever got a car painted before. When you wash a car, maybe like kind of a bad washment or any washment, I think, it left kind of some swirl marks in the paint. It was like really light, but we don't play that shit over there. So I dropped the car off Detail Masters last week. He did a full detail for us, engine bay, interior, exterior. So we should be there in about 20 minutes. I cannot wait to see how the car came out. All right, boy, just got to my boy at Detail Masters. He's pulling the car out for me. Man, you guys got to see this thing. It looks good while it's inside. So, like I said, the car had really light swirl marks. The car was just painted. If you use a washment, you got to like really clean it before you use it. But it had really light scratches. But I'll pull it out, show you guys the paint condition. My boy Dan here does amazing work. You guys got to check him out. Look at the car. God damn. Look at the paint. It sucks because probably guys can't see it in person, but oh my god. Yo, look at the paint. Yeah, thank god it wasn't like the Integra, right? Oh my god. Oh, real quick, put that back down. Look at the fucking hood.
Oh yeah.
I don't know if you guys can see it. It's so hard to get that on camera. It's so flat.
It is, man.
It's like really nice, and it's super sunny out right now, so
yeah, there you go. Maybe from this angle we can get a better
sun. Like the sun's like it's beaming on the car. I'll probably get a better shot inside the garage.
Yes, definitely.
I don't even want to drive this shit back. Like, I don't know if that shit is so clean. Oh my god. The engine bay too. Yep. Looks really good.
Yes, sir.
Yo, what'd you tell me earlier? You want a Honda now, right?
I want a Honda now because of this one.
My boy got Audis, M3s, every type of car. He got a Porsche inside, like whatever car you think of. He said he wants a Honda.
I want this right here.
Yo.
K24.
Oh my god.
Dude, I go Felix for this little car, bro.
Yo, this thing looks amazing.
Yeah.
Yo, at my shop on the rack, this car's gonna look like really good.
Absolutely. It's gonna look amazing.
Yo, bro, you do the fucking best work.
Thank you, bro.
If you guys need anything, bro, hit up my boy Detail Masters right here in Connecticut. Yo, thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate you like always, bro.
Yes, sir.
Alright, boys, this is officially my first time driving the hatch. But I just want to say Detail Master man's a beast. Look at those floor mats. I don't know if you guys can see that, but he did an amazing job in this interior. Overall, he did an amazing job overall. We kept the EG6 steering wheel. I kind of just grew on me. But let's take our first rip in the Civic. This thing runs great, man. It feels great. Not really gonna get on it because the car is super clean right now, but probably take a quick 1-2 or a quick 1. Ain't no traffic coming. This thing rips. But yeah, we'll be at the shop soon. I'll put the car inside the alignment rack so you guys can actually check out the paint. I'll get into detail so you guys can see the full car. He did an exceptional job. If you guys need anything, make sure to hit him up. I just got back to the shop with the hatchback. Detail Masters absolutely killed it. For the people just tuning in, if you haven't seen the build videos of this car, go back and rewatch them. For those of you guys who are new to the channel, I want to say something real quick. I'm going to post up the before pictures of this car. So if you haven't seen the video of the build process of this car, I'll post the pictures up right now while I'm talking. The hatch came in bone stock. Only thing that was done to it was fully painted on the exterior. We painted the engine bay here in-house. Everything else was done here in-house, completely everything. I'm gonna do a quick walk around of the car, kind of explain like everything. If you guys seen this, I'm pretty sure you guys have. I'm just gonna do like a quick 1-minute walk around the car, just explaining some of the parts, showing what we did. And I have special news for you guys. We've decided we're gonna give this car away. So you guys watching, if you guys want a chance to win this car, I'm gonna let you guys know probably in about a week, the date that we're gonna drop this car. It's just we have so many cars here that I can't keep them all. We built this car in-house, so it'd be amazing for someone to own it and actually use it, take it to car shows. So I'll get through the build with you guys right now, show you guys a little bit more into detail than I did in the other videos. A few things have changed. I'll start with the interior first. We have a set of red Recaros. We have OEM floor mats from Honda, Recaros with the sparkle belts. Cusco cage, powder coated to match the valve cover and the wheels. We have Integra Type R 2-door top seats, JDM Type R bottoms, and we obviously have the floor mats in the back. The best part about this car is my brother did the headliner is in suede, and then all the plastics are in black. It matches the interior really nice. Has radio block off, Type R armrest, Type R shift boot, has a shift knob from 06 SI. We actually kept the EG6 steering wheel. It looks really good in there. And that's pretty much it for the interior, besides the door panels. Door panels actually look really good. Red stitch also to match the interior. Everything is done in black. So I'll show you guys the wheels, suspension. Has K-tuned K1s, 15 by 8 Volk TE 37s. And then we also have blocks front calipers. So these we refinished them because the blocks was actually peeling off, and then we put the Honda badge there. Brand new brakes, rotors all the way around, stainless brake lines, and then in the back we have a 1320 full exhaust, which actually looks really good. We have the MPC rear lower tie bar with the control arms in the back, carbon fiber wing, and then we have an OEM Honda badge we put back on. And then I'll show you guys the full engine bay now. And also, the car has brand new trim, has the new belt moldings, roof moldings. We put a brand new windshield in this car, new moldings also on the side. So let's get to popping this hood. The best part about this car, I think. Comment your favorite thing that you like about this build. To me, I love the interior. The interior is one of my favorites, also the engine bay. I really like the bay because we painted the bay in-house. That's like my favorite thing. Our first time ever painting the bay here at the shop. So here's the engine bay, you guys. Passport mounts, RBC intake manifold, has a new K-tuned AC delete kit, skunk tooth throttle body, K-tuned fuel pressure regulator. The build just came out amazing. Hybrid racing full size radiator. This is a full K24, has a Type S oil pump kit, and then it has a Type S trans, like 06 Type S trans. And that's pretty much it for the build. So if you guys want to see the rest of the specs on the car, make sure to go watch the previous videos. Dyno, we have every single video of one from start to finish. Drop in the comments, what would you do with this car? If you want to win this car, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'll post up the dates in about, I want to say in a week, I'll have the exact date of when this car is going to drop. So I cannot wait to see who's going to win this car. We're going to do a short giveaway on this also, just like the Midori. And then make sure, like I said, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll post up the dates soon.